Hey, it's Richard with PreSonus, and normally at this time, I'd show you some sort of Series 3 mixer function, but today we're going to talk about a couple of features in your MyFender account that you may not know exists, and all you need is a registered Series 3 rack or console mixer. Now, these are invaluable tools that allow you to dive into a great learning resource. Let's check it out together. When I go to my.fender.com, I can log into my account. When I click the Learn tab, you can see all of those video resources. But when I click the My Gear tab, I can see everything I have registered with Fender. When I click the Hardware tab, you can see that I have a StudioLive SE16, but I also have a 32R. When I click the picture of my SE16, on the next page, when I scroll down a little, you can see that I have a curated list of every video that pertains to my mixer, including the StudioLive Snapshot series. Now, when I hit the back arrow at the top of the page and I click my 32R, when I scroll down, you can see that I have a separate set of videos, which all pertain to rack mixers. The video you're watching right now is part of the series of curated videos. As a StudioLive Series 3 mixer owner, you have this tool at your disposal. Where applicable, we do two different versions of each feature, one on the console and one in Universal Control. Console owners will see both the UC and console work surface versions of the StudioLive Snapshot series, but rack mixer owners will only see the Universal Control versions, so they're never having to wade through videos that don't apply to their workflow. It's just another way for us to give you every opportunity to ensure your success and give you the absolute best customer experience possible. For more information, go to PreSonus.com or find us on social media. Hey, thanks so much for watching. See you next time.